the Great Pyramid of Giza. Standing tall for over 4,500 years, the Great Pyramid of Giza is the only surviving wonder of the ancient world. Once covered in shiny white limestone, it was a beacon of power and precision. Built with mystery and mathematical genius, this ancient marvel still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. Ready to explore its wonders? Let's see. 1. It was once shiny and reflective. Originally, the pyramid was covered in polished white limestone that reflected sunlight, making it shine like a beacon. Some believe it could be seen from miles away. 2. The only surviving wonder of the ancient world. Of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the Great Pyramid is the only one still standing today, despite being over 4,500 years old. 3. It was the tallest structure for 3,800 years. At 146.6 meters tall, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world until the Lincoln Cathedral in England surpassed it. 4. Precise alignment with the cardinal directions. The pyramid is almost perfectly aligned with the 4 cardinal points with remarkable accuracy, even more precise than modern buildings. 5. The builders were skilled workers, not slaves. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramid was not built by slaves, but by well-fed, skilled workers who lived in nearby worker villages. 6. It contains secret inner chambers. In 2017, scientists discovered a hidden void using cosmic ray technology. Its purpose remains unknown. 7. Heavy stones, no wheels. The pyramid is made of 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing 2.5 to 15 tons. It's still a mystery how they were transported, as no wheels were used. 8. The pyramid once had a swiveling door. Ancient records suggest the Great Pyramid had a swiveling entrance door, so perfectly balanced that it could be pushed open from inside, but was nearly invisible from outside. 9. It shrunk over time. Due to erosion and the removal of its outer casing stones, the pyramid's height has decreased to 138.8 meters today. 10. Temperature control like modern AC. Despite the scorching heat of the desert, the temperature inside the pyramid remains a constant 20 degrees Celsius year-round. 11. Mathematical marvel. If you divide the perimeter of the pyramid by its height, you get 2p, a near-perfect approximation of pi, though ancient Egyptians supposedly didn't know about it.
Dragonfly is a beautiful and slender insect that can fly and is a part of the eye-catching insect family. In India, they have different names in different languages. For example, in many parts of Tamil Nadu, this insect species is known as Tumbi or Pattampuchi. There are approximately 6,000 species of dragonflies in the world. About 500 dragonflies have been recorded in India so far. The body of the dragonfly is elongated like a thin wire of eye-catching color. Dragonflies have 4 wings. They are web-like, ultra-thin, glass-like light-transmitting films. With these, they fly with skill. Dragonflies have 2 large compound eyes and 6 legs. They can fly fast at an average speed of 70 to 90 kilometers per hour. It has been found that dragonflies can fly a distance of 14,000 to 18,000 kilometers. They are said to be the only insect species to have teeth. They use their legs as a cage to hunt and eat insects like mosquitoes and flies. Dragonflies lay a few hundred to a few thousand eggs in water, on soil near water, or on aquatic plants. Hatchlings hatch from eggs and live their lives in water for 1 to 5 years. Dragonflies start flying as soon as they emerge from the water. After becoming fully grown and flying, it only survives for a few weeks or a month or 2. Dragonflies are more efficient than other flying insects. They are capable of hovering while flying. Not only that, they can suddenly turn 180 degrees while flying and can fly backwards. They feed on many aquatic organisms like baby mosquitoes. Thus, they play a major role in controlling mosquitoes. They also protect crops by hunting and eating insects that attack crops. Peacocks are one of the most beautiful bird species. They are not only the national bird of India, but also the national bird of other countries like Myanmar and Congo. Peacocks are one of the largest birds in the world. They can grow up to 90 to 130 centimeters. The weight of peacocks ranges from 4 to 6 kilograms. And only the male peacock has beautiful feathers. Peacocks have an average lifespan of 20 to 30 years. Peacocks can fly at a speed of 17 kilometers per hour, and they can also run at a speed of 19 kilometers per hour, but they cannot swim in water. Peacocks are one of the loudest birds. They are loud especially during the rainy season. They are also capable of making 11 different sounds. The female can lay a maximum of 9 eggs, and peacocks incubate for up to 28 days. Peacock chicks learn to walk in just 2 hours after hatching and learn to fly in just 9 days. Did you know that there are peacocks that are white in color? Yes, and they appear white due to a genetic defect. Peacocks eat plants, flowers, seeds, small snakes, and mice. Peacocks do not live in dense forests. They live in low tree areas. Peacocks are also best friends of farmers as they help in catching and eating the mice in the fields. Peacocks are becoming extinct as they are hunted for their feathers and meat. These beautiful peacocks are a gift from nature, and they have to be protected. Sun is a spherical ball made of helium and hydrogen atoms. It is the star for our Earth and other planets. Our Sun is 4.6 billion years old. It takes 8.3 minutes for sunlight to reach our Earth. The Sun is the closest star to our planet. Sun is much bigger than the Earth. So big that 130,000 Earths can fit inside the Sun. Our Sun can also be called a yellow star. Its temperature ranges from about 5,000 to 5,700 degrees Celsius. Sun's gravitational pull is 28 times that of Earth's. Our Sun reverses its magnetic poles every 11 years. That means it changes from North Pole to South Pole and South Pole to North Pole. And scientists have noted that solar storms occur during that time. The calendar we use currently is based on the movement of the Earth around the Sun. The Sun travels through space at a speed of nearly 200 kilometers per second. Now tell me, how many planets are there in our solar system? Correct, 8, and all of them revolve around the Sun. Bees are an amazing insect species that plays an important role in our ecosystem and food production. They have 2 stomachs and 5 eyes. Bees are the only insect species that produce food that humans eat. They collect nectar from flowers and store the nectar in their nests. Honey is not only delicious, but also has many benefits like boosting immunity, healing wounds, and improving memory. Out of 20,000 species of bees, only 4 types of bees can produce honey. Honeybees are a social insect species with over 50,000 bees living in a single hive. Each hive has 1 queen bee, who alone lays the eggs, and thousands of other bees perform various tasks such as foraging, cleaning, building the hive, protecting the hive, and feeding the queen bee. A queen bee can produce up to 2,000 eggs per day. Bees can fly at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and flap their wings 200 times per second. Bees can fly continuously for up to 6 miles and visit 50 to 100 flowers in one trip. To produce a pound of honey, a colony of bees must fly more than 50,000 miles to collect honey from about 2 million flowers. Bees usually communicate with each other through individual dance movements. Bees rarely sleep. They work day and night, and when they want to sleep, they rest in their hive. Studies have shown that bees are capable of recognizing human faces and remembering them for up to 2 days. In the past 15 years, studies have shown that bee colonies have been declining. It's also sad to know that in some areas, 90% of bees have disappeared. Meerkats, also known as surrogates, belong to the mongoose family. They are very beautiful creatures, but also could be dangerous. They often live in large groups. Researchers say that meerkats are so intelligent that they have complex behaviors and lifestyles which are very similar to humans. The lifespan of the meerkats can range from 8 to 20 years. They are said to live up to 8 years in the wild and 20 years in cages due to the threat of many hunting animals in the wild. The meerkats are the only species in the mongoose family that does not have a bushy tail. Meerkats are found in the Kalahari Desert in Botswana, the Namib Desert in Namibia, southwestern Angola, and South Africa. You will be very surprised to know that meerkats are omnivorous. Yes, they eat fruits and vegetables as well as animals. Their diet is mostly insects. They use their delicate sense of smell to sniff them out. They eat small mice, fruits, birds, eggs, lizards, and even poisonous scorpions and snakes. Meerkats live in groups, but one or more meerkat in the group will take on guarding duties. Their job is to find a high ground and watch the sky and the ground for predators. When it senses danger, it barks loudly or whistles in one of 6 different ways, all depending on whether the predator is in the air or on the ground. Usually, when facing an enemy, meerkats stand together, arch their backs, raise their hair, and hiss. That way, they can make their predators think they are deadly animals and scare them away. Although meerkats live in the desert, they don't need supplemental water. They get all the water they need from insects and the worms they eat.
Enjoyed this video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then,